Guys, good morning, and how you guys doing? Let me just park so I'll be able to give you update. Today is Monday, and happy new week. Some of us are currently on holidays. Some of us are doing properly, working on a regular work day. So today we'll be having our class on automation. I will be teaching you guys how to trade automatically and how to use automated trading platform. You know what I mean? And also I will also be teaching tomorrow on weekly market outlook, and it will go together with live trading. You know, I trade only live, so if you want to trade live, I'm the best guy you can trade live with. Then on Wednesday we have crude oil and gold analysis, also with live trading. But most important thing is that on Thursday we are going to have the big one, wealth management course. It's one of the best courses you should learn if you're a trader, so you can understand how you can scale. You need to understand how these brokers, how these asset managers does their thing, how they allocate those financial units, how they create wealth in the financial market. You need to know and understand, especially those of you that really want to scale your trading career. You want to scale up, you know, you want to move from regular chart to something else. You want to be a fund manager, you want to build a hedge fund, you want to become a broker, you want to be an asset manager. This course is important for you. Wealth management course. So it's going to be taught by me being their host, and also an experienced investment expert, fully SEC authorized agent that have been working with one of the biggest financial trading firm in Nigeria. I think the second biggest, I think the first ever financial trading firm in Nigeria. Yeah, I don't want to call the name because I'm not promoting them. So it's a particular course you must not miss. So if you are our old student, people have trained before, have mentored before, you can join it for free. Just send me your name and your email and the phone number. I'll be able to identify you and give you access to the class. But if you're a trader, it doesn't matter who you everybody you're trading, or you just want to learn it, you could as well as join us on that course. But it's a certificate program. After learning it, we're gonna give you a certificate. You can join with as little as $50 to learn about wealth management, and they start your first journey into wealth creation and know how you can be able to start scaling up your career. It's an important one. So basically, on a general note, this week we'll be targeting about 600 pips. Yeah, you know, we target 500 every week. Sometimes last week we hit 780. So this week is 600 pips for those who trade on CFD and Forex. So you know, we are very precise in whatever we are doing. So be on the look. We'll be able to give you more analysis and see what the market will bring this week. And I believe strongly that we're going to meet our target. You know what I mean? And so we also be targeting on the financial value of it between $10,000 to $100,000. It's our target. Yeah, our target, depending on your capital. If you don't have a big capital to meet that target, no problem. Focus on the pip side. You know what I mean? So I wish you all the best as we continue our stuff for the week, and do have a very wonderful day. So I'm quickly going to office now to see what's happening there. So thank you so much, guys.